Cryptocurrency is the future, and the people who believe in the transformation of digital currencies would agree on it 100%. As a transformational technology, cryptocurrency is considered to be the potential game changer of the world. The cryptocurrency has seen remarkable growth with different projects it brings to the table. Ether, Bitcoin, and other cryptos are continuing to expand. Digital currency enthusiasts have faith in the benefits that cryptocurrency offers. These investments are expected to change the outlook of this generation and the next. There is no reason to believe the outfall of this digital currency, and investing in it seems like the smart choice. The million-dollar question here is, why should you invest in cryptocurrency, and how will it be workable in the long run? Bringing transformation to the field. From decentralized finance, shipping, and supply chains to healthcare and banking, cryptocurrency is being integrated by traditional and non-traditional businesses on different platforms. Intermediaries are not part of the process, making the cryptocurrency an attractive and trustworthy investment. The distributed ledgers help facilitate a diverse range of economic activity, which was impossible without blockchain-based cryptocurrency. A new era of transformation is introduced to the field. People are inclined towards its workability, thus trying to invest in it. Additionally, investing in cryptocurrency promises high-value returns while supporting the future of digital currencies flawlessly. Reliable and long-term store value. Investors usually look for an investment opportunity that is reliable and long-term store value. Cryptocurrency understands the need to provoke investors and entrepreneurs to make the right call. Cryptocurrency comes up with a limited supply, unlike fiat money. As capped by mathematical algorithms, any political body or government agency cannot dilute the value of cryptocurrency via inflation. It usually happens in paper money, but this digital currency is safe from centralized workability. Moreover, the cryptographic nature of cryptocurrencies ensures that the government body doesn't confiscate tokens or add a tax to them. This very trait helps investors put their money in cryptocurrencies, as it limits their worry about undervalued assets. The hyperinflationary events, disasters, or other bank failures can be limited with the cryptocurrency at hand. Stating the cryptocurrency as digital gold wouldn't be the wrong claim based on its stable, censorship resistance, and deflationary properties. Scams and losses. An opportunistic investor should understand the ins and outs of cryptocurrency to act better and timely. For this reason, it is essential to educate people regarding the control they have over the crypto chain and how to keep the assets safe. Another attractive trait of cryptocurrency revolves around it acting as a liability for its owners. Its volatility and risk are one thing, but thefts and scams are a part of the crypto holder. The investors must be aware that even though cryptographic keys and crypto wallet passports ensure safety, but not all the time. Hackers always find a way to steal tokens. They also trick the owners into giving up their tokens by doubling scams, market manipulation, and social engineering. Another threat is the user forgetting their passwords because there is no way back to re-access the crypto assets. They are lost for good. However, keeping in mind the future growth of cryptocurrency, investors love to take such risks. Other benefits to make up your mind. Cryptocurrency is still in its infancy, which means that if you invest now, you will be better than the future investors to come. Essentially, it states that even if the price is high at the moment, you are more likely to earn back multifold. Cryptocurrency gives consumers more choices and independence with their finances. Therefore, if you make a timely decision, you won't regret it any time in the future. The decentralized and open nature of cryptocurrency eliminates the negative pointers of the traditional banking system. The access is given directly to the user. Thus, financial opportunities are enhanced for the individual. Apart from this, cryptocurrency makes trading easy. The user can exchange the best performing assets of the last decade and use them for personal benefits. Final thoughts. The shift to digital currency across the world is fundamental. Cryptocurrency has become the real deal with the clear advantages it offers. The pros cover the financial inclusion, financial independence, access, speed, and resilience of the transaction system. With such advantages in mind, Investing in cryptocurrency should be thought about seriously if you envision a revolutionary future.